The value of a mod degree right now in the current landscape for arts and cultural organizations is about as high as it's ever been. And being able to ensure that communities have access to high quality art and culture has never needed a greater professional background and education.
My favorite thing about O'Neill is that it provides all the resources needed for a professional to reach their career goals. Basic knowledge and passion for the arts is not good enough. You need the necessary management and leadership skills along with knowledge in financial as well as marketing matters. And the MA program prioritizes in teaching these valuable skills that are needed for an arts administrator.
There are multiple parts of my MA education that I draw on every day in my work. That practical experience that's integrated into the MA was critical. In addition, the coursework really transferred well into the workplace. There's a lot of strategic planning and partnership development that were really core pieces of the MA program that I am applying all the time.
The O'Neill students that we have had the great fortune to work with, they just had an incredible curiosity and a great foundation of learning in terms of how arts organizations function and operate. Immediately we saw that the diversity of their experience really made them stand out and join us at a really high level.
When I tell people that I go to IU, their eyes light up. Going to do my professional development in Miami for Art Basel, I talked to plenty of curators and gallery owners that were familiar with IU and how great of a school it is and how they really are doing great things, great research, and they send people who are willing and able and ready to enter into the workforce.
As a leader who is looking for bright, talented, emerging administrators, being able to work with O'Neill students, whether it's through internships or by coming in and speaking with them, they brought a special brand of creativity and thoughtfulness and a collaborative nature that I could only expect from students at O'Neill.